Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need good brightness to spot enemies hiding in shadows and dark corners. Proper brightness increases visibility in dark corners and improves target detection. Start by opening your display calibration image inside the game or on your desktop. Use the in-game brightness slider and a custom calibration pattern to compare black levels. Adjust until blacks are visible but not washed out. Aim to avoid crushed blacks or blown highlights for consistent aiming. Set display gamma close to 2 for balanced midtones on most monitors. First, open the main menu and choose Settings, then Graphics or Display. Open Settings, go to Graphics, then adjust brightness and display gamma to taste. Move the brightness slider slowly while viewing a dark calibration scene. Turn off HDR if it washes colors. Use SDR with brightness around 50 to 65. Adjust contrast down toward 45 when highlights look blown out or when shadows lose detail. Keep gamma near 2 for consistent midtone rendering across maps and lighting conditions. For best results, calibrate your physical monitor before changing in-game settings. Set your monitor brightness to 40 to 60 and contrast to 45 to 55 for competitive clarity. Use a gamma of 2 in your GPU control panel for consistent color and shadow detail across applications. Disable in-game post-processing effects like film grain and motion blur to improve perceived clarity and aim focus. If you use HDR, enable it only if your display supports proper tone mapping. Test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.